Hi, I'm Priyanka and welcome to this week's GCP Sketchnote, where I'm covering Firestore. Firestore is a serverless NoSQL document database that makes it fast to create applications. You can directly connect to it, making it a backend-as-a-service as well. It acts as a glue that intelligently brings together the complete Google Cloud backend ecosystem, in-app services from Firebase, and the core UI frameworks and OSs from Google. Now, we've already talked about how Firestore is serverless, it's fully managed, it's a NoSQL document database. We didn't talk about the fact that it scales from 0 to global scale without any configurations or downtime. And now, some of the features that are pretty unique to Firestore are it's ideal for rapid, flexible, and scalable web and mobile development with direct connectivity to the database. It also supports effortless real-time data synchronization with changes in your database as they happen. And because it supports offline mode, so your users can keep interacting with your app even when the internet isn't available or is unreliable. This is particularly great for mobile applications. It's fully customizable security and data validation rules to ensure the data is always protected. It has got built-in strong consistency, elastic scaling, high performance, and it is 99.999% available, which is pretty high. How does Firestore store data in documents? Okay, so Firestore is a document model database. All of your data is stored in documents and then in collections. You can think of a document as a JSON object. It's a dictionary with a set of key value mappings where the values can be several different supported data types, including strings, number of binary values, and things like that. These documents are then stored in collections. Now, documents can't directly contain other documents, but they can point to subcollections that contain other documents, which can point to another subcollection and so on. Now, this structure brings with it a number of advantages. For starters, all queries that you make are shallow, meaning that you can grab a document without worrying about grabbing all the data underneath it. And this means that you can structure your data hierarchically in a way that makes sense to you logically, without having to worry about grabbing tons of unnecessary data. How to use Firestore? Well, Firestore can be used in two different modes. It can be used in native mode, and this mode is differentiated by its ability to directly connect the web and mobile app to Firestore. Now, this native mode supports up to 10,000 writes per second and over 1 million connections. Firestore in second mode, which is the data store mode. This mode supports only server-side usage of Firestore, but it supports unlimited scaling, including writes. Whatever your application use case may be, if you want to build a feature or an application quickly, Firestore backend-as-a-service will work for you. For a more in-depth look into Firestore, I've linked the documentation below, and I hope you liked this video. And if you did, give it a like and subscribe for more. Bye.